Everybody, please read.
Separating by distillation. The process of separating the components of a liquid mixture through selective evaporation and condensation. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol is made of fermented extracts from different plant sources like sugarcane. The extracts from plants are basically solutions of water and other materials. Alcohol can be separated from the solution through distillation. Alcohol and water have different temperatures or boiling points. 78 for alcohol and 100 for water. Heating the solution to 78 therefore will separate the alcohol from water.
Thank you. So, who would like to give me an example of homogeneous mixture that can be separated through distillation class? Who would like to give me an example of a homogeneous mixture that separates through distillation? Anyone? Yes, Miss Benelin? Alcohol and water. Is Miss Benelin correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we have alcohol and water. Aside from alcohol and water, what are other examples of mixtures that can be separated through distillation? Yes, Miss Stella?
Sulfur dioxide and chlorine, ma'am.
Is Miss Stella correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, thank you, Miss Stella. Now, since you already know the separating by distillation, let us move on to the last mixture. So the last separating mixture is the separating gases by rectification. So class, how is the separating gases by rectification process is being done? Anyone? So how is the separating gases by rectification being done?